What's happening, people? Last video I did was on a knockoff 20 volt uh, caulking gun. I'm gonna do my next video is gonna be on this knockoff heat gun. We're gonna give it a shot. Have my assistant Brian over here. Come on, Brian. Come here. Brian's gonna help me out. The next video will be on this one. We'll see how many likes I get. It's a knockoff from Amazon. Uses DeWalt batteries, but I think it's pretty good. Let me know what you guys want to do. Give me some likes and I'll do a review on it. Thanks.